Hey guys, so this is like very quick video about the free on how you can get better price for the plans and how the whole process works if you want to actually get it. So the first thing is that you can move to Smarty. So if you're gonna check the Smarty, it actually use the free network, and Smarty, okay, it actually provides 30-day contracts. So this is something that is like very good for you to check out. Okay, first thing. Second thing, Living Tactic, you want to call free and tell them you want to cancel your to get your pack code. They often routes you to the retention team who may offer better non-public or student type rates. Be aware of. Also, use comparison sites. You can check the moneysavingexpert.com or uswitch or something like that. So this is something that you can go, or also switch to PayG. If you're overpaying, move to cheaper free pay-as-you-go plan, which often includes wider international roaming than monthly contracts. And buying a phone separately and getting a SIM only deal is generally cheaper. So that's something to be aware of if you want to go this road. So thank you very much guys for watching. Hope this video helped you and have a great day.